Giggles and grapes. Let's learn new words. Are you ready to play with me? What's my name? Let's go. What's my name? Pineapple. What's my name? Rainbow. What's my name? Strawberry. What's my name? Fish. What's my name? Whale. What's my name? Sun. What's my name? Pear. What's my name? Mushroom. What's my name? Clouds. What's my name? Meanie. I am Meanie.